Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week we traveled out to New Sarepta, Alberta. It is a quiet hamlet located approximately 23 kilometers east of Leduc. In the 18th century, Moravian brethren from Germany established the village of Sarepta, Volgograd, Russia. About a century after its founding, the larger German Lutheran Church in Russia began efforts to take Sarepta under its wings. Many of the Moravian brethren objected, moving elsewhere in Russia and then choosing to emigrate to Canada. Some of these settlers established a new village in Canada's Northwest Territories. From various suggestions, approximately 60 people in the new community signed a document favoring the name Sarepta, honoring their previous village. The government of the Northwest Territories designated the name Sarepta to the settlement on October 2nd, 1904. When the new province of Alberta was split from the Northwest Territories in 1905, the government added New to distinguish it from the existing place name in Ontario. The Moravian brethren also felt it honored and distinguished their new community from the earlier biblical and Russian villages. The railroad was extended through New Sarepta in 1915 with the post office opening the following year. New Sarepta continued to grow and was incorporated as a village in 1960, followed quickly by a fire service. In 2010, the village was dissolved into a hamlet within Leduc County, and according to the 2021 census, New Sarepta has a population of 495 persons. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you're into that kind of thing. Feel free to share this video with friends or family members you think may enjoy it. On your way out of the video, if you don't mind, click or tap on one of the thumbs, preferably the one pointed up. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.